County in southeastern South Carolina, Allendale County in southeastern South Carolina, until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:37 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 10 miles north of Hampton and is nearly stationary. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Hampton, Farnville, Lodge, Islandon, Crockettville, Miley, Ashton, and Almeida intersection. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Report damage directly to the Charleston National Weather Service at 1-888-383-2024 when it is safe to do so. You're listening to NOAA Weather Radio Station KEC 85 in Savannah.